प्यारे बच्चों, कल तुम्हें मैंने इंस्टीट्यूशनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी लेसन 2 सिविक्स में पढ़ाया था, जिसमें से आपको इलेक्शन प्रोसीड्योर के बारे में पढ़ाया था। आज पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के बारे में पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं। पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जैसे आपको बताया था, बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, सपा, बसपा, अकाली दल, असम गण परिषद, अनेक ऐसी पार्टियां, शिवसेना, बजरंग दल, ये सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं। अब इनका क्या एजेंडा होता है, इनकी क्या पॉलिसियां हैं, इसके बारे में मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ। Election and political parties are inseparable as both from an integral part of democracy. A political party is a group of persons having same political beliefs or ideology. A party's belief, policies and program are contained in its election manifesto. All parties publish their policies through newspaper, public meeting and other means and try to create public opinion in their favor. They play a vital role in democracy by informing people about various important issues. While the ruling parties try to highlight the achievement of its government, the opposition parties criticize the policies and measurables of the government. They communicate the grievances and expectations of the people to the government. इसके बाद आफ्टर इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इन डेमोक्रेसी, express wishes of the people, create interest, political activities, cooperation in government activities. ये आपके पॉलिटिकल पार्टियों का इम्पोर्टेंस है। अब इसके अंदर पढ़ सकते हैं, देख लीजिए। अच्छा, A democratic government express the wishes of the people and create public opinion regarding various problems of the country. It also creates interest in people towards national problem. In fact, these issues are vital for successful of democracy. Create interest के अंतर्गत political parties create political interest in country and educate people. They bring order out to choice of the multitude of voters. Cooperation in government activities. Cooperation in every activity of the government is possible only due to the presence of political party. They also contribute to the formation of the public opinion by their efforts. Political parties are the foundation stone of the parliamentary democracy. Characteristics of party system in India. The number of political parties in India is very large. Many of them have a communal orientation. It is a large country. The problem of its different regions are different. Hence, regional parties have been formed to solve local problems. Many political parties have the same aim in India. About 1.5 dozen political parties believe in socialism and claim to be real socialist party. For long there has been a one-party dominance. Coalition government are recent development. Only family dynastic rule exists in nearly all the parties. Defection is an old practice. Thought Anti-Defection Act of 1985 had banned defection. Still some loopholes exist which are used to topple popularly elected government. Political parties in India are categorized into two types: national level parties and state level parties. National level parties are one that have a presence all over India. State or regional parties are limited a single state only. Now, policies and programs are major national parties in India: नेशनल कांग्रेस और भारतीय जनता पार्टी, ये आपकी मेन नेशनल पार्टियां हैं। नेशनल कांग्रेस में देखिए, नेशनल कांग्रेस इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट political party in India. It was established in 1885 by Sir A.O. Hume, a retired English bureaucrat. It formed the first national government in India. There was a split in Congress in 1969. It was removed from power in 1977 and it returned to power in 1980. Again, it lost the election 1989, 1996, 1998 and 99. Its election symbol is an open palm. It returned to power in 2004 and 2009 and formed a coalition government at center. The Congress was routed in 2014 general election and was removed from power. भारतीय जनता पार्टी देखिए बीजेपी. The BJP created an independent status for itself after the 7th Lok Sabha election. In the general election of 1991, the party won the second largest number of seats and formed a strong opposition. In the 1996, the party secured the largest number of seats along with allies. However, it could not prove its majority on the floor of the House. In the 1998 election, it led a 14-party alliance from a coalition government at the center, and in 1999, it formed an alliance of 24 parties called National Democratic Alliance and formed a coalition government at the center. The BJP was removed from power in 2004 and 2009 election but returned to power in 2014 and formed the government at the center. The Bharatiya Janata Party has lotus flower as its election symbol. The election manifesto of the BJP for Lok Sabha election 2014 encompassed a wide range of issues ranging from economic growth to social sector problems. Besides price rise, corruption, development of infrastructure, education, all around both to agriculture, manufacturing and services. For some other areas that the manifesto focus on, the salient points are as follows. अब ये क्या थे? प्राइस राइज, जो बढ़ती कीमतें हैं इनको रोकने के लिए, एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, करप्शन, ये सब इनके प्रोग्राम थे जो रोकने के लिए इस सरकार में आएंगे तो ये सब हम कार्य करेंगे। अर्थात इनके प्रोग्राम क्या हैं, विशेषताएं क्या हैं। पहला प्राइस राइज वाला देखिए, बीजेपी अपोज द लोअर inflation by setting up special codes to stop hoarding and black marketing setting up a price stabilization fund involving in single national agriculture market, leveraging on technology to disseminate real-time data, area specific crops and vegetables linked to food habits of the people. Second, the manifesto declared that the party would accord high priority to job creation and opportunities for entrepreneurship. For same, it has talked about steps such as labor intensive manufacture and housing step for self-employment opportunities. Corruption. The eliminate the scope of corruption, the party would specialize on the technology enable e-governance. Center-state relation, the party would make center-state relation smoother for the BJP wants to evolve a model of national development which is driven by the seeds. Decentralization, the people's participation. The manifesto proposed a people public-private partnership